Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Maintaining muscle mass becomes essential for our overall health and well-being as we age. For seniors, muscle mass plays a crucial role in mobility, balance, and the ability to perform daily activities. It also helps prevent falls and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. This video will explore 7 essential foods to help seniors preserve and build muscle mass. These nutritious and delicious foods make incorporating them into your daily meals easier. Adding these key ingredients to your diet can enhance your strength, boost your energy levels, and improve your quality of life. So, whether you're a senior yourself or caring for one, stay tuned as we dive into these powerhouse foods that can make a significant difference in maintaining muscle health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are vital for seniors looking to preserve muscle mass and maintain overall health. Sources like chicken breast, turkey, and fish are excellent choices, providing high-quality protein without excessive fat. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth, helping to rebuild tissues that may have been damaged during physical activity. For seniors, incorporating adequate protein into their diet can improve their strength, help them recover from injuries, and enhance their physical performance. Additionally, lean proteins can help regulate appetite and support weight management, essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Seniors can significantly boost their muscle health and overall vitality by consciously including lean proteins in daily meals, whether through grilled chicken salads, baked fish, or turkey wraps. So, let's make lean proteins a staple in our diets for a stronger, healthier future. Dairy products. Dairy products are significant in maintaining muscle strength, especially for seniors. Options like yogurt, milk, and cheese are delicious and excellent sources of calcium and protein, both essential for muscle health. Calcium helps maintain bone density, while protein supports muscle repair and growth. Additionally, many dairy products are fortified with vitamin D, crucial for calcium absorption and overall bone health. This combination makes dairy an invaluable part of a senior's diet. Incorporating dairy into snacks and meals can be enjoyable and straightforward. Think of a yogurt parfait for breakfast, a cheese snack in the afternoon, or a creamy sauce over vegetables at dinner. Adding these nutritious dairy options to your daily routine can enhance muscle strength and support overall health as you age. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, making them an excellent choice for muscle maintenance, especially for seniors. They are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need for muscle repair and growth. This makes eggs a fantastic option for those seeking to preserve muscle mass. One of the best things about eggs is their versatility. They can be enjoyed in various dishes, from scrambled and poached to baked or in omelets, making it easy to incorporate them into any meal. Whether you prefer them sunny side up or hard-boiled, eggs can fit seamlessly into your diet. To kickstart your day on a nutritious note, consider eating eggs as a balanced breakfast. Pair them with whole grain toast and vegetables for a meal that fuels your body and supports your muscle health. Legumes. Legumes are essential to a senior's diet, particularly for maintaining muscle health. Options like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are protein-rich and packed with nutrients that support overall well-being. These protein-rich foods provide a plant-based alternative to meat, making them an excellent choice for diversifying their protein sources. Additionally, legumes are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This is especially important for seniors, as digestive health can decline with age. Incorporating legumes into your meals is easy and delicious. Consider adding them to salads for a hearty crunch, blending them into soups for added creaminess, or including them in stews for a nutritious boost. By making legumes a regular part of your diet, you can enhance your muscle health while enjoying a variety of tasty dishes. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are fantastic additions to a senior's diet and vital to preserving muscle. Nutrient-dense options like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. These healthy fats are crucial for overall health, while the protein content supports muscle repair and growth. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your daily routine can be easy and enjoyable. They make a perfect snack on their own, or can be added to meals for an extra nutritional boost. Sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, mix flax seeds into smoothies, or enjoy a handful of almonds as a mid-afternoon snack. By including these powerhouse foods in your diet, you can enhance your muscle health and enjoy a variety of flavors and textures that keep your meals enjoyable and satisfying. Whole grains. Whole grains provide the energy needed for muscle maintenance, making them an essential part of a senior's diet. Examples like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, vital for sustained energy levels throughout the day. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain fiber and nutrients, helping regulate blood sugar and keep you full longer. This steady energy supply is significant for seniors, supporting physical activity and overall vitality. Choosing whole grains over refined options enhances your energy levels, promotes better digestive health, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. So, whether you're enjoying a hearty bowl of quinoa salad or a slice of whole wheat toast, incorporating whole grains into your meals can significantly benefit your muscle health and overall well-being. Hydration. Hydration is key to maintaining muscle function and overall health, especially for seniors. Proper hydration supports muscle recovery and performance, ensuring muscles work efficiently during physical activities. When you're well hydrated, your body can better transport nutrients to your muscles and remove waste products essential for optimal muscle function. To stay hydrated, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day and incorporate hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your meals. Options like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges provide hydration and essential vitamins and minerals. Remember to stay mindful of your fluid intake, particularly during hot weather or after exercise. By prioritizing hydration, you can enhance your muscle health, improve your energy levels, and support your overall well-being as you age. So, raise that water bottle and keep your body hydrated. This video explored 7 essential foods that can help seniors maintain muscle mass after 60. Lean proteins, dairy products, eggs, legumes, nuts and seeds, whole grains, and hydrating foods. Each food group is vital in supporting muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is crucial for preserving muscle mass, enhancing energy levels, and preventing chronic diseases. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring as you consider your dietary choices. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about nutrition and health tips, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for following us, and here's to a healthier, stronger future.